getting ready to put in a tankless water heater. We got the water, the wires ready. We got the pipes in place, ready to make the connections. All right, so we got this off, and here's the unit. We're gonna go ahead and mount it here, and we're gonna use these screws, which will give it a good holding. All right, so here we are. We've got the connections we're working on. All right, wires are in. Now we got the connectors ready to make the connections to the pipes. But now we just gotta cut the pipe down so this will fit good. We're gonna do some measurements to where we want to pop it on real quick. Make our marks. Okay. All right, so everything's set up and done, and it works really good.
They said that they redid this in the